Good morning to all. I am Kripal Navel, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. I am going to the case study topic, partial differential equation tumor cell visualizations on multi-floor parallel computing atmospheres. In the Department, Agriculture and Food Technology, second year. Abstract. This case study discusses our some of the visualization and computational challenges encountered in the field of neuroscience. With the intention to address such computational challenges, we recognize the particular significance of the iterative solvers and parallel algorithms on multi-core parallel computing atmosphere. In order to detect tumor cells, 2D and 3D partial differential equations are considered and compared by using multi-core parallel computing atmosphere. With visualization, communication, and data analysis, the performance analysis of multi-core computing is presented in provisions of speed up, efficiency, effectiveness, and temporal performance, where the use of 2D and 3D PDEs and parallel algorithms was found to give remarkable results. Next, going to introduction. The simulation of human tumor growth by parallel algorithm is the latest invention nowadays. A brain tumor is an abnormal growth of cells without any specific order, with the disability to control their growths within the brain or inside the skull, which can be cancerous or non-cancerous. Brain tumors are the leading cases of death by cancer. From a case study reported in an ABC News report, it was found that among 36 people, 1.6% of them suffered from brain tumor, and the rate is increasing currently. Therefore, we propose invention measures be implemented by the early prediction of brain tumor growths. In this study, the monitoring and visualization of the growth of tumor cells and performed by large scale mathematical simulation. The tools of 2D, 3D parabolic type partial differential equation are assented as the computational engine for the future prediction of the cell growth. Clinical data provides the initial and boundary information on the properties of tumor cells. Next, in the past, several techniques have been implemented to detect tumor cell growth. Some of them, as described by Duflergard et al., were a mathematical model of the clinical system, radio frequency applicator with 8 antennas, water poles, and individual Pattian body. They involve Maxwell's equations in inhomogeneous media and a bioheat transfer PDE describing the temperature distribution in the human body. In their study, the electromagnetic field and the thermal phenomena are needed to be computed at a speed suitable for the clinical environment. John Huashuan have achieved the interactive visualization by the use of state of the 3D open interfaces interface that enables our visualizations of the reconstructed 3D prostate model, including all internal and anatomical structures and their relationships to define tumor volume and distribution and pathways of needle biospace. This it has improved on the understanding of prostate cancer behavior and current diagnosis staging methodology. In addition, objective functions with measures distance between the desired and modern practical temperatures are also. The author previous work represents a new efficient of dynamic solvers for the numerical solutions of partial differential equation in order to visualize tumor cells through distributed high performance computing. A comparative case study in terms of the visualization performance analysis of 2D 3D parabolic type partial differential equation using multi-core parallel computing atmosphere is presented in this paper. This paper is organized as follows in section 2 mathematical model of 2D 3D parabolic PDEs under discretization of the model was presented. Multi-core parallel computing system was illustrated in section 3. 2D and 3D tumor cell visualization was displayed in the paper. Discussion on the multi-core computing systems and finally sections concludes this paper. The mathematical model. The model represents both the avascular and the vascular phase of tumor evaluation and is able to simulate the time when the transition occurs. The evaluation problems can be written as a free boundary problem in parabolic type joined with an initial boundary value problem in a fixed domain. Cell populations and chemical species are the model dependent variable that distinguish the physical status of the biological scheme in both the tumor mass and the outer environments. They are fundamentally different. The cell size is much larger than that. The chemical factors and macromolecules. The cells are surrounded by a membrane and cannot go through each other. They occupy definite physical space. Comparatively, the chemical species consist of macromolecules that may spread in the intercellular space. Also, they are fundamentally different. The cell size is much larger than that of the chemical factors and macromolecules. The cells is surrounded by a membrane and cannot through each other. They occupy definite physical space. Comparatively, the chemical species consist of macromolecules that may spread in these are able to attach to the cell membrane or go through it such that they actually do not take up physical spaces. The cell proportions populations are considered important for the process and the chemical factors that influence their motion and the proliferations. Next, going to two-dimensional parabolic equation. The mathematical model consists of an evaluation equation for the variable u equal to u of t, x, which was considered to describe in time t and space x the physical state of the system. Variable u includes both the cell population and the chemical factors produced in the environment by the interacting cells. The derivation of the model here describes is developed on the basis of mass balance equations and are supported by a random walk scheme. Under suitable regularity assumptions, one can expand the use of N, P, Q, and R as well as the users. The word equations of mathematical equations. Next, multi-core parallel computing system. The two or more independent cores are combined into a single package composed of a single integrated circuit called a die or more dies packaged together into a multi-core processor. It was available nowadays as dual core or quad core processor, where a dual core processor holds two cores and a quad core processor holds four cores. Multiprocessing are executed by a multi-core processor in a single substantial package. We have implemented multi-core parallel computing system in support of the performance evaluation of 2D, 3D partial differential equations to detect brain tumor in this study because multi-core parallel computing system is an execution of the same task on multiple core in order to obtain results output faster. Besides, the selection aggregation and sharing of distributed resources provides the infrastructure to solve distributed problem in real life implementation based on their cost availability, users quality and performance of service requirements. Multi-core parallel computing systems demonstrate enhances respectively. Such pipeline in this way case studies. 2D, 3D tumor visualization cells is the with the Cosmol multipliers 3, 4 we have performed the partial differential equations, heat transfer coefficients, etc. Parallel computation atmospheres also. The current processor architectures only future 2 to the most 4 cores per processor, where therefore the use of 8 processor, the dual core of IBM powers shared memory PCs for our experiments. Multi-core parallel programming analysis. With Wolfram Grid Mathematica V7.0, we have studied the finite difference approximation that explicit is in solving a two-dimensional parabolic equation. Here the explicit method is applied in solving the mathematical model by using a suitable sequence, iteration methods of red-black Gaussian parallel algorithms with some minimized requirements such as Wolfram Grid Mathematica on mathematical core parallel programming system. Grid Mathematica is a parallel computing environment that contains a collection of compute kernels. The master kernel contains all input out and output the scheduling functions. The master kernel is responsible to divide the model domain into subdomains and allocate them to slave kernels. Finally, we going to conclusion part. The key purpose of this study is to evaluate the performance of multi-core parallel computing system and to compare all the aspects of 2D, 3D partial differential equation in solving the grand challenge of brain tumor visualization problem. Regarding the growth of brain tumors, a 2D, 3D parabolic model has been chosen to solve this problem by using standard finite difference method. The explicit method used to solve the evaluation equation in this study is the numerical finite difference method. From this study, it is proved that the 3D parabolic type PDE performs better than the 2D parabolic type PDE. To visualize brain tumor on multi-core parallel atmosphere, our future comparative study may involve a 3D parabolic and type PDE with the other convergent and unconditional stability consisting numerical schemes such as AGE, alternative group explicit, and IADE, and iterative alternating decomposition explicits. As for future research, we aspire to find solutions to improve the speed and performance of the multi-core parallel computing systems with the increased number of cores to solve the mathematical model. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all.